Hi, my name's Norman Drankshaw with the Sea Dog line, and we do a lot of shows around the nation talking to a lot of dealers and service personnel. And when we talk to them, we find a lot of times that they've got older boats that have a standard 2-inch gauge where the gauge is no longer necessary, it's fogged over, and the customer or the consumer would like to have something like a new USB plug. So we've come out with adapter. This adapter are 2 pieces of plastic which allow you to take, here's an example where we've got a dual USB, allows you to charge and put that into that hole, tighten down the back, and have a working display in an area where you didn't have anything before. So again, this is a brand new product. It's a whole adapter, available very soon. Again, you can take a look at anything on our website at sea-dog.com. Safe boating out there.